Very energetic po yung staff, lalo na po sa Gardenia Morning.
During field trips like this, they learn how to be considerate, respectful of others.
Maganda po yung process ng paggawa ng bread at interesting din po.
Gusto ko po ng bread.
Nagkaroon po ako ng bagong kaalaman tungkol po sa pagkain.
We are able to learn something new.
Nagkakaroon po kami ng knowledge about sa different machineries and interest in students, especially those who are interested in the engineering fields po.
Gave us a lot of knowledge, especially po yung sa process po in making bread.
Thank you, Gardenia!
Natututunang muli, nare-recall namin yung mga nangyari noon at may tuturong muli sa mga bata kung anong dapat nilang matutunan. Thank you, William Tours!
Talagang nakaka-inspire po, lalo na po madami pong napuntang mga tourists. Sadya po talagang binibisita po dito.
Very historical, hindi nakakainip, super saya po.
Welcome to National Museum of Fine Arts.
Super saya po. Super fulfilling.
May times po na mainit, still naging worth it po siya. Especially gawa po ng aming tour guide po. Sobrang saya niya po kasama. And thank you, SNFSS! Nag-enjoy kami!
Thank you, SNFSS!
Super extreme!
Yes! Thank you, SNFSS! Thank you, SNFSS! Nag-enjoy kami!
Thank you, SNFSS! Nag-enjoy kami!
It was really fun po. Ang grabing experience po.
Thank you, SNFSS! Nag-enjoy kami!
Nakakapagod pero napakasaya. Mag-e-enjoy lahat.
Thank you, SNFSS! Nag-enjoy kami!
Thank you, SNFSS!
Thank you, SNFSS! Thank you, SNFSS!
Nag-enjoy kami!
Thank you, SNFSS! Thank you, SNFSS!
Thank you, SNFSS! Nag-enjoy kami!